welcome to another episode. We are at Isdalen again. This is the same place as we were last year, and we're looking for the bluethroat because we know that the bluethroat is around this area. So our goal today is to capture some bluethroat, both pictures and videos. We've been here for a while already, and we have found the bluethroat. It is around in this area, but this year we technically came a little bit later than last year, so we are a couple of weeks behind from last year. So last year we noticed that they were finding food and bringing back to the nest. So the bird was ignoring us a little bit more than this year, because now the chicklings have grown up, so they've left the nest, but the parents are still feeding them. So I've noticed that the chicklings are hiding inside the bushes here, and the parents are not that easy to spot. They're kind of hiding as well. They're going in between the bushes instead of top of the bushes. So it's a little bit more tricky to get a good picture this year. But I have gotten some pictures and videos already that I think is good, but I'm going to try a little bit more to see if I can capture the bird in a little bit more open space, like on the top of a bush. Because right now most of them are like landing on the branches here, and then you have like branches in the front and branches in the back, and it is a little bit distracting. So I'm gonna give it a couple more hours, see if I can be patient and get the bird in a little bit more open space with free background and get some nice bokeh background. Also, there's a lot of flies here, so they're all over me, the flies. It's a little bit more than last year, but yeah, I get used to it. I'm also testing out actually a new microphone. This is the first time I'm trying a wireless microphone, so I hope you hear me really well. Hello, hello. So this is first time I'm trying it out to do a little bit different vlogging than having the DJI Osmo, which I always have. So now I have the camera on tripod and the wireless microphone in hopes to create a little bit different experience this time. But yeah, I know that the bluethroat is in this area, and there are chicklings in the bushes as well, so I'll try to keep a little bit distance. Sometimes I notice where the chickling is, so I'm staying away from that area and going a little bit around it, and hopefully the adult bird is coming outside and landing somewhere close to me to find food. So that is technically my goal, so I don't disturb the chickling and the parents that much, because if I get close to the chickling, the parents are just around making a lot of noises and trying to chase me away. So I will not do that. I'll try to keep a distance and hopefully capture the bird when it's looking for food instead of being close to the chickling. So I hope you enjoy this episode, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.